So in this Microsoft Word tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to edit the text color here in Microsoft Word. So the first thing you have to do is obviously open up Microsoft Word and type in some text. So for this demonstration, I'm just going to go ahead and type in the word text color just like that. I'll then make the font a little bit larger so it's easier for you guys to see. So by default for me, it actually is the color black, but if you want to change a specific word, for instance, you can just go ahead and highlight the entire word. Go to this top bar, so make sure that home is selected, then go over to where there's this A with an underline underneath it. This would of course be the font color, and if you were to go ahead and press on this arrow right beside it, you can then view a whole bunch of different font colors. So if you wanted to make the text, light blue, you can do that. If you wanted to make the text perhaps, the color purple, you can do that as well. If you want to make one specific letter a different color, just highlight the exact letter, do the exact same thing. You can go ahead and make it red if you want. You can go ahead and make the O. How about we make the O orange? You can also too just view this. I'll highlight this, press this. If you want to maybe view more gradient colors, you can, or just go order more colors right here. Then you have the wheel, you have the sliders, you have the, these basic colors, you have the spectrum of colors, as well as the pencil crayons of colors as well. So once that is done, there you go. Pretty straightforward, pretty simple. This is how to edit text color here in Microsoft Word. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.